Hi everyone, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name's Amy. So today is my dog's birthdays. Happy birthday, Nani and Yona! So in celebration of that, we're going to be making homemade dog treats. In the treats, I'm going to add 1 egg, some applesauce, some peanut butter, and some flour to combine it all together into a dough. So let's get started. So I have my egg, my applesauce, and my peanut butter, and I'm just gonna give that a quick mix on medium speed just to get it all together. So I'm not really completely sure how much flour I'm gonna need. I just want to get it into a dough consistency. So I'm gonna start with half a cup of flour and see where that gets me. And I'm using these ingredients because I know that's what my dog likes. But you can obviously use whatever ingredients you like. So I have another half a cup of flour. I think it's time to just mix this. We do want these to be pretty dry because, as you know, that's how dog biscuits kind of are. They're not cookie texture, they're biscuit texture. So I'm gonna do another half a cup of flour. You know what? It's time to get in there with my hands. Now, I'm just gonna knead this until it becomes a dough that we can roll out. Yona! I'm making you biscuits. You need to hush. This is my life. Every day. So I'm actually kind of glad this happened to show you guys. You see how my dough's kind of crumbly and won't come together as a complete dough, just keeps crumbling. What you do with that is just sprinkle it with a little bit of water until it comes together the way that you would like. So, you saw how much water that was. It was probably a teaspoon. And already, it's coming together perfectly. And actually, now it's a little bit too wet. So I'm going to grab flour. And it's just a ratio like that. Just, it's too wet. Add some flour, too dry, add some water. So now, you have a perfectly together dough. And now we're just gonna roll it out. We're just gonna roll this dough out to about 1/4 inch thickness. And you can obviously make these into whatever shape or size that you would like. I'm going with about 1/2 inch squares. I'm so upset. I ordered some really cute little cookie cutters. They're like hearts and flowers and all kinds of cute stuff. Whatever. They're still coming. I can still use them at a later date, but so we're going to bake these for about 15 minutes or until they are golden brown. And I will show you what they look like when they're there. So my homemade dog treats came out of the oven and they have cooled. This is what they look like. And now we're going to do a little taste test. Down. Yes, good girl. And high five, good job. And it looks like she likes them. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something, please give it a like down below. And while you're down there, leave me any suggestions for what you'd like to see next. And subscribe to make more messes with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!